Hello YouTube. Today I have another rental car, Toyota Aygo 2020 or 2019 model. It's a 1.0 liter. It's the facelift edition, second generation of the Aygo from 2018, I think. 1.0 liter, non-hybrid, non-turbo, 70 horsepower, enough. And the main advantage of this car, no, I don't have it right here, but it's the fuel consumption of this car. It's 5 or even less liters per 100 kilometers. Other than that, it's a small city car. But we'll go on the highway in a bit. It can kind of handle itself, so to speak, but it's a very nimble car for the city. Has a USB here, has air conditioning, of course, has a rear camera, however does not come with beep sensors. Only rear view camera, but again, it's a very small car. On an uphill road, it can be a bit sluggish, especially if you have more people in the car. The other thing that I don't like is you can connect your phone with it. Perhaps because of the basic trim, but there's no maps. You cannot use Google Maps with this screen that it has here. Again, it's 5 to 6 year old car, but we're in the twisties. We have second gear here, and it can handle itself somehow. Where it is, again, it's a city car, it's a rental car. I use it on a highway. It can get up to speeds of 120, 130 kilometers per hour. It struggles a bit, but still does not consume too much fuel. Or even now that we're with second gear. Also, you can see that there is a warning light here for tire pressure. I checked the tires some time ago, but the warning light is still on. Brake, turn in. Yeah, for the very small tires that it has, I'm really impressed. Some traction control light going on and off here, probably because the tarmac is not very nice, because the tires are from 2024, so they're new tires. The car has 70,000 kilometers on it. Again, we're turning at 50 kilometers. Third gear, and it only has 5 gears. We'll see how it merges in the highway traffic. I have a window open, but we have some traffic going on, so we'll not be able to very highway speeds here. continue on with another part of the video because we're in highway, but something seems to have happened because we're not going very fast. Anyway, you can see found a bit of an open road. We'll have third gear, fourth gear, 90 kilometers. Gear. Degrees. Down to third, and let's see if we can merge the highway. Still got traffic in the highway. Anyway, floor it, close the windows, but still there is a bit traffic, so we cannot fully go to 130 or. But it can go with fourth gear. Let's put a fifth gear in, and it's 100, 1.5. I'm not flooring the pedal. 110. It's not the most stable car for this kind of speeds, but it can do the job. So that was my short review of the Toyota Aygo. Thanks for liking. Please like and subscribe.